Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scotland Roy Marketing. Today I want to go over with you how to create an open house social post and post a social post campaign using that open house social graphic. All right, so the first thing we want to do is of course log into our command platform. And from there we want to navigate to our brand new marketing applet. Okay, now once we are in the marketing applet, we want to navigate directly to Canva. Okay, KWR has recently retired the Designs applet for print and social marketing, and all of that should now be done in Canva. So we're going to go ahead and click Create in Canva. And once we're there, we're going to go ahead and find a social post graphic that we'd like to use. Okay, so I'm going to come in here. Let's see. Let's find one down here. Let's go ahead and do this one. It says open house Instagram post. We found this in the brand templates. You can also find templates there. We're just looking at previous projects that we've created. So I'm gonna grab this one right here, okay? Now, once I'm in here, we're gonna go ahead and start pulling in our listing details. And we're already connected to the KW ad. So that's what we're gonna use to pull in any listing details from the MLS. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the property address I have over here. We're going to go ahead and plug in that address and search for the property. And once we have that property pulled up, we can quickly and easily start replacing those photos, okay? So we can go ahead and find photos we'd like to use, plug those in by dragging and dropping them over. Let's see. Let's grab another one inside. Let's grab this one here, plug it in over there. So now we've updated all of our photos. Now we've already got Scott's photo information updated on this flyer. We're going to then go ahead and change our date and time. Let's do July. Let's see, 18th. From 12 to 2. We want to go ahead and update our address as well. So we're going to scroll back up over here, go over to our details, and then we can easily swap that address as well, okay? And there we go. Now we have our full open house flyer already updated. From here, we're going to go ahead and download this. I'm going to download it as either a PNG or JPEG. I'm going to do this as a JPEG for this one and hit download. Now, once that downloads, we're going to go back into command, okay? And from there, we're going to hit create social post. We're going to go ahead and select the accounts we would like this to post to. Are we posting to Facebook, Instagram, X? You would want to make sure these are already connected in your settings. And then you want to click add media, okay? That's going to allow you to drag in that image that we just created. From there, we want to crop this. This is not a perfect square, so we want to come up. Wide is obviously not going to work, but we want to go with the free option, okay? That's going to allow us to pull in our entire design, and we're going to hit crop. Now over here on the right, you're going to see a preview of that graphic. You can go ahead and type in any information you'd like to post along with it. Open house this Saturday from 12 to 2. Let's keep it real simple. You can, of course, add any emojis you'd like to add if you want to do a house or whatever the case may be. If you did not add your logo or the ownership statement, you can add those here. That will pull them to the very bottom. You see it's a very faint white kind of line here, and then it has the each office independently owned and operated. You can also pull in that office logo. It will put it down there. Since we already have those in our graphic, we don't need to include those. And then from there, we can either publish this immediately or schedule it for a specific date or time, okay? And then from there, you'll do schedule post or say publish or save. Actually, if we do publish post, there it is. So whichever you are looking to do, and then I'm going to go ahead and save this draft. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team. Our email is support@scotlandroadmarketing.com. Have a wonderful day.